بلوچم، شک نکنید ما تا روز دادخواهی.
My name is Fariba Baloch. I'm from Iran, from Bluchestان. 4 years ago I came to UK, and when I was in Bluchestán I was a teacher and a women rights activist. After I came in UK, I became as a human rights activist as well, because about what happened in my country and my city especially. I'm here not just a Fariba Baloch. I think I'm here as all the brave women of Bluchistan and Iran. Nobody can see us. Nobody want to hear us. I wanted you speak about us. I wanted you study about us, and I wanted you seeing us as a humans fighting for the basic right. That's all I wanted to do. This.